let's get you going. All right, Zach. Just gonna stand on up. We're gonna go over here next. Let's do that. So we got you right there. Good. Put your hands there. Let me stack that up just a little bit. Slide your hips towards me a little bit more. There you go. Just bring you over right there, okay? Good. One more deep breath in. All the way out. So we just adjusted Zach on his side, and his big thing that we're adjusting is going to be this L5 right here. Now you can see a bunch of numbers and you can see the hips. This view is like we're looking at him from behind. So you can see this R is going to represent the right side of his body. So here's his right hip over here. Here's his left hip. And for some of you guys, you might notice the hips. I mean, there's definitely some rotation, some stuff going on there. You can tell down by the obturators that they do not look the same size. We've adjusted his hips before, but his main issue is going to be the last vertebrae in the lumbar section of his spine right here, this L5. So the big thing is when we go to the lateral view, you see L5 again right here. Now remember, you cannot see a disc on an x-ray, which is going to sit in between the square boxes here. You can only see a disc through like an MRI, but you can tell by the spacing how it looks like it gets pretty narrow back here. And that's his big issue, is this L5 has just slid back, so it just irritates the nerve. We're wanting to get the L5 to just kind of sit it back on top of the disc. Now it's not a whole big movement, it's just very little, but if we can just get enough pressure off the nerve that exits right here, that's what will get him relief. Sink that down, right there you go. Let that go right there. Deep breath in, all the way out. Alright, so you guys just watched us adjust Zach on the knee chest table. The vertebrae that we were focusing on here is going to be T8. So you're going to see number 7 right here. It's going to be the nice little vertebrae right below it. And the biggest thing we're wanting to do with his line of drive is we're just wanting to take it straight down for correction. Kick your legs out in front of you a little bit. Put your arms hang down to the side. Alright, so we just adjusted Zach's neck. The vertebrae that we are focusing in on this one is going to be C6. You have 7 vertebrae in the neck. C6 right here on Zach. I mean, there's a little bit of damage right here. Our main goal right here is to take this vertebrae and just sit it on top of C7. You can see his neck stacked up pretty straight. This orange line right here represents the cervical curve. So again, what we did, we took C6 and we're just trying to bring that forward.